Okay, Deepika ma'am, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Deepika, and today's topic is: does homework help students to learn or not? So, in my opinion, homework isn't just a busy work. It helps to stretch our mental skills because if we will do the homework, so we can learn any topic from the deeper side. Those late difficult concepts and essays can help us to learn any topic, and it can help us it can help to improve our critical thinking. We can take homework as a mental exercise where every assignment is a new exercise, and we can help to understand uh, every topic. We can analyze the topic, evaluate the topic, and understand the topic and improve our thinking skills. Here is a saying that practice makes a man perfect. So we can apply it through the homework, because if we will do the homework, we will do the more practice and we can get the better marks in the exams, in the test as well. So practice is very important, and understand the topic in a class is a very different thing, and it by the homework is completely a different thing, because if we will do any topic from our side, so we can understand and evaluate the topic from our perspective. And homework reinforces us to learn so many things. It can help to improve our self discipline, and we can learn so many things by our perspective. And parents also can help us to the and parents can help to the students in doing the homework, so students can more indulge with their parents. And some students think that homework is a very tough thing, so they can do one thing. They can do the regular exercises, and they can break their homework into the manageable task, where they can complete their task in one side, and they can achieve their goal. So in my opinion, homework is necessary to get the better understanding and deeper thinking, because it can help us to make more discipline, and it can help to understand many things. Thank you.
मैम आपने 3 बार रिपीट करा कि देर आर वेरी मतलब वेरी आपने ये रिपीट किया था कि देर आर वेरी डिफरेंट वेज लाइक नॉट लाइक बार बार देर वॉज अ लाइन कि यू सेइंग कि देर आर मेनी वेज टू डू द होमवर्क एंड देर आर मेनी बेनिफिट्स ऑफ डूइंग द होमवर्क भाई बार बार इट वॉज कमिंग इन बिटवीन सो रादर कि आप एक बार यू कैन स्पीक one time and after that say the entire thing, but if you are repeating the same thing again and again, so people will think that you are repeating your points. If
Yes,
you
sir.
say once homework can be done in many ways like managing it into tasks, so continue it till you end it. Don't bring it again and again, because it is possible that you will say different points at every time, but we will think that you are speaking the same thing again and again, like I also felt.
Okay, sir.
So, बाकी तो everything is okay. अब it will improve with time. Rest things तो it will improve. हाँ, I cannot say much more. Okay. So who wants
Yes.
to go next? Who wants to go
And
next?
may I, sir?
हाँ सर बिल्कुल. Yes sir.
So, okay. Good morning, all of you present here. I am Preet from Negative Side to speak on the topic does homework help students to learn? So, first of all, we talk about what is homework. So, the written work that teacher gives to the students to do away from the school or at home. So, from my point of view, homework doesn't help students to learn more. Like as we know that students are spending their time at least like 6 to 7 hours at school, and after that they are for much better education they are going to the tuitions and coachings. So after that they don't have time to do the homework, and homework is like for them a burden. And nowadays we know that students are just copying and paste, just they are copying to each other and doing their homework. And homework leads effect on their sleep time, because if they don't able to do homework, it is stressful for them, and therefore they are not able to sleep, and it builds stress for them. Thank you.
बढ़िया. In starting you said good morning. It is good evening.
Sorry. Oh.
got nervous.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, no issues. Who wants to go next?
Samaya?
May
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Samaya?
Yes. Who wants to go, bhai? Who wants to? Raman ma'am, you can. Raman ma'am, you can.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good evening, educator, and good evening, everyone. I'm Ramandeep Kaur. I'm a student of American Institute, Bhopal. And today I want to share my point of views on today's topic. Does homework help to student to learn? And first of all, I want to define the meaning of homework. Homework means some work, some exercises, which is given by teachers to the students for complete their schoolwork and revise their schoolwork at home by own self. And I'm favor in this topic because there are so many reasons why I'm favoring the topic. My first reason is uh, homework develop homework helps to develop their mind development, and it helps to improve self study. If a student do their homework regularly at home, he doesn't need any tuitions, he doesn't need any other help, and he doesn't need any classmates to copy and paste their homework, and it's helpful to become a student as a electric thinker also. And a student who do their homework can revise their homework at home by their own self. He doesn't need any copy, and during their test he can become a good grades, he can achieve a good grade in this schooling, and he can many achievements, and he can get many achievements in their schools, because nowadays schools also provided rewards to the students who do their homeworks, who do their homework on complete on their time. So from my point of view, students are sorry helpful. Homework is very helpful to the student, not only on the book related homeworks. Nowadays, other many activities are given in the schools, like dancing, competition, art and craft. And these teachers also give homework, and they always said to do practice at home. Like if I given my example, during my schooling, I participate in the dandiya competition. I didn't know how to do the dandiya, and and I need more practice, which is not possible on that time in the schooling. So I revised my dandiya practice at home with my siblings, and the result is I got second prize on the dandiya competition. So it is very helpful for me, not only for book related studies, it's also helpful to improve their skills also. So, from my point of view, homework helps a lot for the student for their mind development and their personality development. Thank you.
बढ़िया मतलब काफ़ी हद तक I can see improvement. बढ़िया. I couldn't find anything which I can point differently. Okay. Yes, who wants to go next?
Samaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Aarti, and I am a student of American Institute of Bhopal. And today I'm here to express my views on the topic: Does homework help the student to learn? So, before starting the topic, let us understand the meaning of homework. The term homework means the work assigned by the teacher to their students after the class. And by assigning the homework, teacher wants to teacher wants to make their children capable of doing their work by their own. Homework, it could be provided, it's based on the work which is provided them to the class. So it could be in written form, or sometimes it could be an oral form, like a teacher gave them to learn or memorize the lesson. There are few types of homeworks. So worksheets, worksheets, and uh, sorry, worksheets and project and experiments, group discussions, and creative assignments. So in worksheets, the worksheets is based on the like online, or it's kind of question paper. Teacher gives it is based on the chapter or work which is done in the class, and it has fill-ups and MCQs questions and all. And then experiment and project assignments are, it is mainly used for the subjects like science, social studies. So by giving these type of homeworks, children can learn by doing experimentally and practically. Like in this type of homework, teacher gave them to do to collect the data or to analyze some data from any somewhere else. And then creative assignment is given to, is based on the subjects like arts and music, where children are making them creative. So it helps them children to make creative. And then group discussion assignment is like a assignment is given to the group of children, where children are learning work in a team. So here they are learning working in a team. So homework plays a very important role in their life. Like if the children is doing their homework regularly, and they can so that children developing their skills for the lifetime. As per the study, it also said, as per the study, it also said that the children who is doing their work regularly, and uh, then his skills are considered as a future investment. uh, and if a parents and a teacher support and encourages their children to do their work, then they can take the benefit, so many benefits, like developing the time management skill. They can fostering independence and improving their critical thinking and boost their confidence level. So, in my opinion, homework is very much important for their students' life, and every teacher should give the homework to their students. Thank you.
बढ़िया मैम. मैम, what is the meaning of fostering?
Fostering means to इंडिपेंडेंस को, और मतलब अपनी इंडिपेंडेंस को खुद एक तरह से कंट्रोल करना, मतलब
No, it is absolutely out of the line.
डिफरेंट.
It is absolutely different.
So what is the meaning of this?
To protect. Fostering means to protect or to provide support. You would have heard in movies
खुद
that the child is sent to foster homes. Sometimes
Yes, sir.
when the parent is not able to pay the money, or he is not able to manage the child, they give the child to foster home. So it is the meaning. I asked because I kind of thought that like it is for the second time you have used a high vocabulary, if I'm not wrong. Like before this you had used one more word I had told you, if I'm not wrong. Therefore.
Yes, sir.
Okay, बाकी तो मैम body posture is perfect, everything is perfect. Your hand movement is also very good. You are already
Okay.
at a very good level.
Okay.
Who wants to go next?
May I?
Yes, ma'am.
May I, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good evening, sir. Good evening, guys.
Ma'am, Riti ma'am, I want you to speak first because Archana ma'am often speaks.
I'm nervous. Don't know.
Therefore, I saw your smiling face. Therefore, I thought to surprise you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll try.
yes, Riti ma'am.
Good evening to all of you and one and only present here. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to God to on the behalf of complete group to such a yeah, sir, I am nervous now. No?
Ma'am, don't get nervous.
I'll
Don't.
speak later after Archana ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You have to speak. You have to speak. Don't worry. Don't.
Okay,
I am giving you the opportunity that I will not say anything after you end. Okay, I will not say anything.
please say, but I will improve.
Like,
Actually,
I will type. I will not say.
okay, good evening to all of you and one and only present here. I am Riti. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to God on behalf of complete group to give us such a nice topic to discuss upon. So first of and the on the as the topic is just homework help to students to learn. So firstly, I would describe the definition of homework. Homework is based on the classwork, and it is a focus on new skills, which through it practice. And homework uh, develops the study habits, and also improving the learning. So in so and I wanna say in next term, homework is also habits. Homework is also I'm reading not notes.
Ma'am,
Oh,
my duty is to make you
now,
extremely nervous. So I am doing my job. I
okay.
have started this entire thing to make you feel extremely nervous.
Yes.
You have to.
Okay, and homework is also benefits of physical knowledge and self discipline, and also it's improves the attitude to learning and problem solving problem solving skills. So from my point of view, the purpose of the homework is a student when which is student who importance of the planning ki how they can, and also and also homework teach students how to get priority, and how to get solving the problems, and also mm, uh, homework teaches students about the time management, and also to work independency. So and I was also given my example when I was a kid. I was felt that the homework is a pressure. So during my graduation, every month homework, every month have exams done. So in that situation, I felt that it's very pressurized to the whole study. So that is all my points, sir. Thank you.
बढ़िया तो बोला इसमें क्या डर है what was why were you scared you spoke very well there was nothing to be afraid of you gave very good example
Actually, सबका सुना ना पहले तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा लो हो गया.
I mean, it is my job I have to do that no otherwise there is I have to try to make the situation as same as I can I have to be close to reality okay so yes Archana ma'am
Yes, Samya. Okay. So, good evening, sir. Good evening, guys. I'm Archana Misra. And first of all, I would like to say thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. And before starting the point, I would like to explain what is the meaning of homework. So, homework is the written work that teachers give their student to do away from school. So, what is the meaning? I strongly favor the topic, not bad. So homework is really necessary because of homework. Homework homework makes student to do to make I mean how to make time management. Homework learn to student how to make time management, and it's a like a responsibility. So when a teacher gives homework their children, so children thought like, yeah, today I'm to do homework, and it can helps a student how to time management, and homework is also gives I mean it's like a responsibility to parents also. Actually, sir, sorry, I'm not prepared today, so I'm only
Give your opinion.
spoke.
Give your opinion. No problem. I am not going.
Yes, sir. It's my opinion.
Yes.
Okay. So homework, I think because of homework, a student learn so many things. Homework is like an opportunity to practice, like how children to do practice. When children, I mean, in this room, children have learned so many things. So when he came his homes, so he's for, I mean, it's a revision, and it's a parent's responsibility. I mean, homework provides parents to chance, like to check what is the teaches in the school for the to the children, and I think homework is really necessary. Thank you, sir.
No problem. 1 minute. So starting the point, you don't have to say कि I want to starting the point, because you can say to begin with or to start with, because you said starting the point. Before starting the point, I would like to say,
Yes, sir.
whereas in the introduction I had told you that you can use to begin with, or before that I want to speak, like this you can say. Don't use starting the
Before
point,
that.
because they will think that you have memorized or you are trying to, like you are getting confused regarding anything. It describes
Okay.
confusion. Sorry for that. Okay, who wants to go next? Who wants to go next?
All the people are favoring on this topic.
Yeah. Nobody wants to speak. Come on, bhai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You can give another try.
One of my friends spoke that students go to school, they go to tuitions, but we should not give them homework because they are so busy, and homework give them a lot of stress. So in my opinion, if we will not give the homework to the student, then how will they do the practice? Because it helps to build the concepts, and if the students don't do the practice, then how will they think better? And he said that homework gives us a lot of stress and we don't have a time. So if we don't develop this skill from the beginning, then how will we solve our advanced level problems, advanced level questions? And if we are not able to manage our time, then how will we manage our time after some time? So in my opinion, homework is not only to make the students busy, but it can help the students to manage their to understand them how to manage the time, how to be self-disciplined, and how to solve their own problems. Thank you.
Great, ma'am. This time you are absolutely perfect. Nothing was wrong.
Thank you.
Yes, I can see the improvement immediately. Very good, ma'am. Okay. So who wants to answer to just what ma'am said? Does somebody want to answer or reply back? Okay, so Preet sir, what is your opinion? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As one of my friends said that students should give us homework, but as we already know that students, I already mentioned that earlier, that students are spending their time at least 6 to 7 hours at school, and after that students go to the tuitions and coachings, so they are not able to spare time to do the other activities and spend time with the family. So it is not good for them to not do other activities and playing games or other things. Thank you.
No issues, no issues. You were perfect. Okay.
So may I?
let sir speak. Sir wants to speak. Yes, sir.
Uh, Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. First of all, I want to talk about the homework. So, homework is one type of work that teacher gives the student to outside the school. It's beneficial for the student. Then, actually nowadays, actually school timing, actually approximate school timing is maximum and minimum approximate 7 to 8 hours every school timing. Then a student should not be focused for the 7 hour with consistent uh, learn about any subject, and approximate 1 hour all subject. One subject approximate teacher teaches 1 hour one subject. Then a student approximate 1 to 2 hour will be managed. But after the 2 hour, a student should not do the focus on the study because they do not understand the anything, because they are not consistent. That that the reason a student teachers give the homework, because after the homework, a student go to the home and do the study, because teacher give the uh, homework. Okay. Then a student scared the teacher. If a student do not do the homework, then teacher scold and them. Then that's why a student do the learn. And also nowadays parents are not uh, focusing on their children. They not spend the time their children, because both parents are doing the job. Then both parents are doing the job, they do not have the spend time to their children. Then it's also beneficial for the student, because if because at school give the homework, then also parents supported their children completed for the homework. Then it's very beneficial for the student. It's from my point of view. Thank you.
Ajay, give me 1 minute. I am telling sir. Then I will. Okay. So who wants to go next? Aarti.
May I, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. As one of my friends spoke, that uh, children are taking giving 7 to 8 hours in the school, and then they came home, then they have to go to the tuitions for 2 3 hours. If a children is doing their homework regularly, then there is a no need to go to the tuition, and if parents are supporting there. And one more thing, nowadays, if children is spending the 7 or 8 hours in the school, so I don't think the child is get frustrated in the school, because now that the education system of the school is totally different. Children enjoy in their school, and if homework is not given to the children, then that children will not do any physical activity, do not play. Being as a parent, I have no is my experience that children if homework is not assigned them, they are busy in watching TV and watching phone. So it's better to watching TV and phones. It's better to give them homework and let them study. Thank you.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. My mother also says the exact same daily. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, Raman, ma'am. Do you want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
From my point of view, homework always helps to the student, and by a student doing their homework at home, he finds their deficiencies about their big subject, and he can ask next day about their doubts to the student, to the teachers, and it's always helpful to the and to the improvement while they're studying, and he cannot he's not need on that time to go the tuitions and help to others. So from my point of view, homework helps a lot to the students. Thank you.
Okay. But you already told na about your opinion. Then why once again you spoke the exact same thing? Why? You had
No,
already
so I'm not telling about the deficiencies as well.
you had already introduced the topic.
Mm.
Why did you repeat? I अच्छा चलो no issue.
No, sir.
No issues, no issues, no issues. Okay, so who wants to go next? Riti ma'am turned on her camera. So, yes, ma'am.
We know all the about situation of conditions of new generation. Here, every child are using their smartphones and play games, and they are wasting their time. So every mother should be required to do homework at home, and also in the many school are not provide the good education. I mean, discipline education. So it's very necessary for the change the mind of kids, and also it's regulate to discipline discipline the child. So but in my time that my in my time this is not give this opportunity this give no मतलब उसको क्या बोलते हैं कि ऐसा समय नहीं था, that was not time for me because that time only depends on the schools and tuitions. But at that time, in present time, kids are very good condition, have a good condition, and good schools, and very and the schools are that provide the good education for a kid. So it's a good path of the learning and discipline for the all kids to take to given the to give the homework. That's all my point, sir. I don't know मैंने क्या बोला सर समझ में आया क्या?
No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. With the time, it
I
is
want to add.
1 minute. 1 minute. I want to say something before going forward. While you are speaking your argument, you cannot take the help of anyone. You cannot ask me or ask anyone that what is the meaning and what we can say. Naturally, it is possible that it is coming from inside you, but try to control, because over there I won't be there or nobody is there to help. You would be in a competitive environment. Everyone is just there to tease you. So try to work like that over here so that we can get the most practical experience. Yes, yes, ma'am. You can add your opinion. Bakita, ma'am, you spoke very well. Vidya, you spoke very well. Like, this is the second time you are speaking in this meeting, so I can see changes. So it is very good. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Aarti.
Yes, sir. The homework is also very important for many for few subjects like maths and science, because if we talk about math subject, it's not possible for teacher to complete or to practice all the questions in the school. So if teacher will not give the homework maths questions in the homework, so how the syllabus could be complete, and and maths is the subject where practice is very important. So if the homework is not given in on these type of subjects, then how the children get improved? So homework is important.
Great. I didn't say anything last time, but still I can see a better argument. I can see you spoke quite better than previous time. Like this time you were less nervous than the previous time. I think everyone gets comfortable with the topic by the end of the class. Therefore, everyone is able to speak more confidently. Okay. So who wants to add their opinion at the very last of the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
As one of my friends spoke that we don't have time because we go to schools and tuitions. But in my opinion, the main thing is the time management. If we don't know how to manage the time, then how will we manage our things? Because time management skills are very important in every sector. And homework imposes us to think better and manage our time. And there are so many students who are wasting their time in watching shorts and watching reels. So they can, if they don't waste their time in all these things, so they can make their future better. Thank you.
Again, perfect, ma'am. Badhiya. Nothing went wrong. Yes, everything went well. Okay. Archana ma'am, do you want to add your opinion before the class ends?
No, sir. Sorry.
See,
कॉल आ
I want
गया
to
था
last.
इसकी वजह से मुझे काटना था.
Okay. Preet sir, today you spoke very less.
I am the only one, sir, who are against, who is against
Answer you
support.
can.
Anyone I want.
Yes, you can speak, sir. You can add your point if you have it.
Yes, enough, sir. Yeah. Everything I have,
And
I
the
told.
last, I want to add a last point,
Yeah.
which I have written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Homework gives a student another opportunity to review class material, and also homework gives parents a chance to see what is being learned in the school. And so parents should be need to the their child what is doing in college schools. So it's very necessary for the all kids and all children.
क्या बात
Thank
है
you.
क्या बात बढ़िया 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 हम I was finding this only very great ma'am today's class went very well everybody spoke and everybody improved at the spot itself great ma'am great okay yes ma'am you can ask ma'am
सर अगर हमारे पास कोई और ही बोल दे जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किए हैं वो सबने बोल दिए तो उस टाइम पे मैं क्या करूं
ma'am can you repeat I couldn't listen the voice was not clear
तो क्या ऑडिबल
yes ma'am
yes sir on that time what I do if my point of view speaks already another guy
Acha, if the another guy spoke your point, so what will you do? Nothing, you will say your point, no problem. Why do you have to care about other person when you are saying for the first time? At that time there is no problem. But when you are saying for the second or third time, then it becomes a problem. When you are saying for the first time, when you are introducing, so everyone's introduction can be a bit same. Meaning of quota is same for everyone. So everyone was repeating, no, whether they were in opposition or in favor. So why not repeating a bit more? So there is no problem because the definition of quota was same yesterday.
today skip my
Yeah, the definition of homework was also same today.
today skip my
The definition of homework because I want to speak different from everyone. So will you change the definition of homework? No, we will not change the definition. So like that, whatever the points are, don't change them because of someone else. Okay, what is
And
tomorrow's
sir, what about your recording?
recording? Raj, there is no usually girls' school is there, boys' school is there, different they are. So like that. So this is the tomorrow's topic. And please, use the Google recommendation like that. I will send. Okay, from today, I will send it again.
Okay, sir.
So I have told you. Does anybody have any doubt in that Google recommendation part?
No, sir.
Uh,
Okay.
I will check on ChatGPT.
Okay. So with that, let's end the class for today. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the group. No problem. बाकी तो as if I have told you everything that how to prepare and how to actually prepare a present. But remember, before using Google recommendation, you should think about your own points. Don't go to Google recommendation directly. Otherwise, it is absolutely zero. Because see, the problem is in mathematics. If we talk about mathematics nowadays, mathematics has become our favorite subject in this meeting. है ना? We have discussed a lot about mathematics. So what happens? For example, your answer is 10 and the correct answer is 15. So you know the difference कि भाई 5 marks का difference is there. So now I will check कि भाई चलो 5 mark की गलती कहाँ हुई है. But in English it is not like that. You cannot measure the difference between the right answer and the wrong answer. But in mathematics, I know if the difference between the correct answer and my answer is 5. But in English, there is no such thing that I can measure that how much difference is there between the actual answer and the wrong answer. So therefore, by doing these activities, we can ensure that we are on the right track.